Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2014 Buick Enclave for sale. That's in this white diamond exterior color. It's a V6 6-speed automatic engine and all-wheel drive. Let's take a look. Beautiful leather interior. And let's go around to the back here. So you see a very spacious trunk, and those third row seats do fold down for even more storage space. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Again, beautiful leather interior here. Steering wheel here. See our navigation system and radio, as well as climate controls. Shifter. If you have any questions or like to see any more information, feel free to check out our website, feldmannimports.com.